Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can always play Rebirth Island. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So as of right now, there is a game mode that basically allows you to only play Rebirth. You don't have to play Fortune's Keep or Vondel. And in order to play that game mode, all you have to do is go over to Warzone. From Warzone, click on Resurgence, and then Resurgence you're going to click on just wait for it to load. There we go. I'm gonna click on Resurgence Quads, and if you'll notice, it's always Rebirth Island. It's not like the other two where it's Resurgence or it's a rotation. This will always be Rebirth Island. But if you do want to play either Resurgence trios, duos, or solos, and you always want it to be Rebirth Island as well, I did make a video on how to glitch it out and always be able to play Rebirth if you guys want to go watch that as well. But as of right now, if you don't want to do that glitch, you can just play Resurgence Squads and it will always be Rebirth Island. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.